Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So today I have for you a haul. I have something from Nordstrom, a box from Ulta, and a box from Sephora. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, then please keep on watching. Okay, so from Nordstrom, I purchased this Kilian perfume. It's Love by Kilian Don't Be Shy Extreme. Now this was initially, I thought it was limited edition, but when I'm looking on the website, it doesn't say limited edition anymore. But I thought it was limited edition, so I went and hurried and purchased it. I do have the Kilian Intoxicated perfume, and I love that. Initially, I wasn't a huge fan, but it grew on me, and now I love it. So I thought I would try this, Love by Kilian Extreme Don't Be Shy. Look at this packaging. Isn't that so pretty? And this is engraved on there. I got mine off of Nordstrom, but it's now on the Sephora website. So let me read what it says. It comes from the floral fragrance family. Its scent type is warm florals, and the keynotes are neroli, orange blossom, rose, and marshmallow. What a mix, right? It says, Love Don't Be Shy Extreme and is an addictive pleasure that sensitive souls are asked to abstain from. It's a variation that underlies the original version with an added sublime crystallized floral aspect. Orange blossom and an overdose of rose compose a luminous elixir that no gourmand can resist. And so it says about this fragrance, Kilian Hennessy's inspiration was to create a gourmet pleasure reserved for adults. The iconic Love Don't Be Shy is pushed to its extreme with an overdose of Bulgarian rose and notes of neroli, orange blossom, rose, and marshmallow. So let's go ahead and smell this. Oh, that is an interesting... I can smell the orange and marshmallow and floral. Wow, this is really interesting. It's got the floral scent, but I would also say it's citrusy and sweet at the same time, but not overly sweet. You know what I mean? Not like it's so sweet you don't want to wear it. Oh my God, I love this. And the after fragrance, or like what fragrance it leaves behind, is a little bit of rose. And I'm not a huge rose fan, but this is delicious. I'm not going to put it on me because I bought several perfumes. Oh, I think I'm going to love this. So this is Love by Kilian Don't Be Shy Extreme. I love perfumes. So that was from Nordstrom's. Let's go ahead and do my Ulta haul. Now from Ulta, I placed an order because Mel Thompson convinced me to buy this. And this is the Tartelette Juicy Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. This is the one it looks like. She said it was close to the Aspen Ovard palette, and I love me a neutral palette, and she really liked this, so Mel Thompson made me buy it. Look at how cute this is. Comes like this, and then it's got the pink on the back too, and I love me some dandelions. And look at that. That's what this looks like. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on this. If not, I'll just use it for myself. But I do love all these neutrals. Isn't that gorgeous? We'll see how it wears. I haven't bought a Tarte palette in years, so we'll see how this works out. So because I was buying this, I also noticed that Tarte released this High Performance Naturals Big Ego Brow and Root Camo Kit. So I decided to try this. So I have a lot of hair, but I'm like starting to bald, like right up in the front. And that's since I've had my babies. And if you look right there, you can see the before and after just coloring in the scalp. So I thought I would try this out. This was released with the Tartelette palette. So this is what it looks like. It's got a brush for the brow and for the hair. Should we try a little bit right now? And I got mine in the color dark brown. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Take a little bit. Ooh, it's powdery. Let's see. Oh, that does work a little bit. Doesn't that make me look less baldy? Huh. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep trying this and I'll let you know how that works out. The other item I got was a Homeworks candle. This is the Lemongrass Breeze. It's a citrus and calming. It has lemongrass, clementine, bergamot, and tonka bean. And those are all fragrances that I really enjoy. So I thought I would try this. But it smells like a cleaning detergent. So I don't think I'm going to keep this. I'll probably take this back. Because it smells more like cleaning detergent than something refreshing. So I'll probably return that. I did decide to get the Face Halo, the Modern Makeup Remover in Pro Black. It comes with 3. And you just add water and use this to wash your face. I do use the makeup eraser when I use my first cleanse with an oil balm to remove all my makeup. So I thought I would try Face Halo too, just for shits and giggles. Then I also got the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 25. I got this in the color WN54, and I have tried this foundation out, and I really enjoy how it looks and wears on my skin, but the color is not right for me, so I'm gonna have to pick up a different color. So I'll pick that up. I also purchased the concealer, and I got this in the color CN52, and I really like this concealer. I think I'm gonna have to get one more shade, a lighter shade, because this is perfect for my skin tone. So I'll get something close to this for the foundation and then get a lighter one to, just a shade or 2 lighter for under my eyes. So been really enjoying that. Then I just got a whole bunch of press-on nails. I'm trying to strengthen my nails because I've been doing dip for so long that my nails are really thin. So I'm trying to let them grow out. So I'm gonna be using press-on nails for a while. So I bought a whole bunch because they were on sale. Then from Sephora, let's move on to my Sephora haul. I did purchase the La Mer Soft Moisture Powder Foundation. It has a broad spectrum SPF of 30. I got mine in the color 13 Beach. I have tried this before and it's way too light. I do like how it looks and how it makes my skin and my pores. It minimizes the look of my pores and texture. So I like that and how it wore, but look at this color. It's way too light. So I'll have to get a different color in this. I'm still kind of on the fence about whether it's worth $120 or $25. So I'm still on the fence about that, but I did get that. I do love me a powder foundation because it's quick and easy, and I don't need concealer when I use powder foundation because I can build it up into my areas of hyperpigmentation. So jury's still out on that. I also got the La Mer powder. I've been curious on trying this. I love to use powder because I have to control all the oils in my skin. So I am curious to try this. This is what the packaging looks like. And you open this up and it's got a little poof and a sticker. So I'll be using this in a future video. I've heard great things about this powder, so I wanted to try that. I also got the Stay Vulnerable All Over Eyeshadow Brush. I love the Rare Beauty brushes. I love their foundation brush, their concealer brush, so I thought I would get their eyeshadow brush even though I didn't get their liquid eyeshadows. But look at how cute that is. So I'm excited to try that. This is gonna be great for one and dones. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, I also got a La Mer concealer. This is the concealer and it's in color 32 medium. So this is what the La Mer concealer comes in. Let's see, I got mine in 32 medium. It comes in this kind of a packaging. Well, that might work for me. So I'll be trying this out as well. Then I got the new Kaja Gloss Shots. I got mine in the color Always Drizzle, Pink Drink, and Milk Tea. Then they were having a 20% off sale, their fragrances, and so I went ahead and finally purchased the replica by the fireplace. I had gotten the set of 3 travel sizes and I really love this by the fireplace. And so I'm glad I got this, and this is the scent I want my son to wear when he gets older and is into cologne. This is a beautiful unisex scent, and so I'm glad I got this for 20% off. Then I got 2 more Kilian little travel sprays. So one of them is Love by Kilian, Don't Be Shy. So I got the extreme one from Nordstrom. So let me read to you what this one says. I got it in a travel size. So this is from the Florals family, and it's got orange blossom, vanilla, and luscious marshmallows. Oh, it's very similar to the extreme. So Love Don't Be Shy implores you at the opening with tender orange blossom absolute. Juicy honeysuckle and plush rose are softly caressed by the sweetness of luscious marshmallow sugar accord, satisfying the craving pang of new love. A warm amber base lends a touch of sensuality. From rose to tuberose and orange blossom to gardenia, Kilian flowers are composed like a narcotic dependence. This scent's perfumer is Callus Becker. So let's smell this one. Oh, it's similar to the Extreme, but not as sweet. I mean, the Extreme is not as sweet as this. I don't think you need both. Then the other one I got is Bad Boys Are Good, but Good Boys Are No Fun. So I got this one. I think this is the one that smells like Coke. So let's look at this one. So this comes from a fresh family fragrance with fresh citrus and woods, and the keynotes are cola, cinnamon, and cedarwood. Interesting. I want to invite you to take a walk on the wild side with a scent made for misbehaving. Boys is a very sexy, very fresh scent thanks to the instantly recognizable cola accord made of nutmeg, cinnamon, and lime. Okay, all I smell is the Love Don't Be Shy right now, but let's see. Oh, that is an interesting scent. I can smell I don't know if I would have been able to call it on my own without knowing that. Yeah, that's an interesting scent. I do smell the cedarwood. So I'm curious to try all of these new perfumes. Now the last thing I got was the Capri Blue Volcano Fragrance Reed Diffuser. I like to put a diffuser like this in my closet so it always smells good. And the one I have right now is almost done. So I got this diffuser to put in my closet. Okay, now Sephora had a gift with purchase, and this is a makeup brush holder. It's like heavy, so I don't think it's gonna be chintzy. Oh look, it's actually well made. So this was a free gift with purchase. So, oh, I'm glad I could put more makeup brushes in here. Okay, so there you have it, my haul from Nordstrom, Ulta, and Sephora. Let me know if you have any questions down below and be on the lookout for videos using these products. So I have a special guest who wants to come and say hello.
Hello. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.